This is Highway 5, just getting over to the Grapevine. It's unbelievable to see snow in California like if we were in Lake Tahoe. This is just unreal. I call Highway 5 Highway Patrol, and they are shutting down Highway 5 right now and into the Grapevine. So there's no more vehicles allowed to be on the Grapevine. Look at the mountain. I'm on my way to Los Angeles. And what I've seen before with the car accidents is just unreal. Coming up to Smoky Bear Road to my right. This is simply amazing. Pyramid Lake Resort to the left. So, this is California in February. This is Donisia Marquis-Knight from DMK Elite Networking, asking everyone to drive safe.